It's lunchtime and today you and I are gonna make Cobb salad lettuce wraps. It's super easy, super fast, and I'm really hungry, so let's make these. For this lunch, I've got some iceberg lettuce leaves that are gonna hold our ingredients. I'm gonna wrap it up. I also have some deli turkey. I've got some hard-boiled eggs, which I have videos to show you how to make hard-boiled eggs easily in the microwave, in the stovetop, in the oven, in the pressure cooker, and in the air fryer. So many, it's like they escape, friends. Then we also have tomatoes. I've got some cherry tomatoes, but just if you have Roma or bigger tomatoes, just slice it up, dice it up, because we're gonna want to put the tomatoes in our wrap. And they do stay in there a little bit easier than if you slice a tomato and try to fold it, it's gonna open up. And of course, we've got an avocado. I just cut this right before we started, and I feel like I hit the avocado lottery. Do you get as happy as I do? Let me know in the comments below if you just do this mental happy dance. Maybe it's just me, you know? When you open up an avocado and it's perfect. I mean, I feel like a party's happening inside in my heart. But we are gonna move on to the wraps. I also have some salad dressing right here that I prepped earlier, which I have a video for you. I'll link it right below in the description box. It's just a simple vinaigrette, but a lot of people love Cobb salad with ranch, or I also have a video for that. So really use whatever salad dressing you like. I'm also gonna show you how you can pack it to go, like for lunch, whether it's for school or for the office. These Cobb salad wraps are awesome. So the first thing you want to do, a great trick, is to double up on your lettuce leaves so that the lettuce doesn't crack, or it really helps to hold all the ingredients in. So I have two, these are the outer leaves, so they're a little bit bigger and they're kind of like broken right there. So I just double them up like this. And I'm gonna take a couple slices of turkey and place them right over the top. I use the turkey on the outside because it also helps build that outer wall to hold all the ingredients in. So 2, let's make it 3. I'm really hungry, so we'll put that. I am going to, chop our eggs, because why not do the egg next? So you're gonna wanna slice and dice your eggs. So I'm gonna simply do this. I've got this nifty tool that I only use pretty regularly when I want to make my egg. And again, I'm just gonna right there. Place it right in the middle of my wrap. Now I am using iceberg lettuce, or you could also use butter lettuce. You want some large leaves, but if you want to use romaine, romaine has that trunk or vein in the middle. It's gonna make it harder to make it into a wrap. So though I would suggest that you just serve those open and call it a lettuce taco or a Cobb salad taco. By the way, if you love tacos as much as I do, there's an entire playlist of them on this channel, but back to these. And then in the middle, I hear tacos and I get sidetracked. So I'm going to place some tomatoes right here. If you are using large sliced tomatoes, I would suggest you put them right on top of the turkey just to hold everything in place. Obviously, if you're gonna eat this right away here, no big deal. But if you're packing it to go, I'm assuming that you're probably eating out and not at the table, so the easier and less messy you make it, the better. And I forgot to make the other one, so let's make this one real quick. Now, one main difference is between this one and this one is as you get closer to the center of an iceberg lettuce head, they begin to look a lot more like cups. I get it. If you're packing these to go, you're simply going to hold them like this and place them in your lunch container. Now, one great tip about the lunch container while I'm here is to make sure that you're using something that fits your lettuce wrap well, so it's held together, as opposed to having a lot of outer space and then it would I don't know about you, but nothing makes it intact in a lunch container. So you could also at this point grab another leaf and wrap it around. But because I am gonna place some salad dressing, I'm going to fill this empty space with the salad dressing and then show you how well it fits tightly in the container. Back to the one we're eating right now. So the avocado, can't forget about it. I won the lottery, I gotta share it with you. So we're gonna slice our avocado. I also have an amazing avocado and egg salad. So if you love avocados and hard-boiled eggs, that combination, you could definitely use that, and it's a lot looser, you could use that right in here as well. So Gonna take some of the avocado and place it right in the middle at the top of my wrap. So this one I'm gonna eat right now. I'm gonna put it right there. And then in my lunch one, I'm also gonna do the same thing. Take that avocado, place it right over the top. I'm using about 1/4 of an avocado per wrap, but of course, if you love avocado like me, use more. The more you put in there, the harder it is to wrap, so it goes. Okay, so for the lunch container, I'm just gonna take my salad dressing, I'm gonna give it a good shake, and place about a tablespoon or so of salad dressing in this container, right there. Use your favorite. This is a leak-proof little container, so they're like dressings or sauces are great for these. And then the trick about this, to make it hold all in one place, is to put the container with enough room to hold it, the wrap in place so it stays tightly. And then we're gonna take our lid and close it up. And again, the tighter everything fits in the container, your wrap won't move as you transport it. But if you're gonna eat it now, all I suggest you do, again, give your salad dressing a little shake. And then it's messy, but like all great foods, the messier, the better. We're gonna drizzle a little bit of salad dressing right over the top. So good. Now you know why I keep a towel down here. So many taco videos. I'm used to eating and spilling. This healthy lunch is super easy to put together, and obviously if you're looking for more ideas, I've got a ton of them for you right below this video. And if you just want to plan for the week, that's going to help you eat healthier and make the meal times easier for you and your family, check the link right below this video for the 7-day reset or the family kickstart program that's going to help you eat better, feel great, and hang out with me on video. See you next time.